Finland is sustainable by nature. Throughout our history, nature has given us prosperity. We have learned to respect nature and use its resources in a responsible way. Finland is at the forefront of sustainable manufacturing. We are committed to developing business that is both environmentally and financially sustainable. Digitalization helps us develop manufacturing in an effective way. We can gather precise information on resources, machines, and production in real time for the benefit of both business and the environment. And all of this more efficiently than ever before. Carbon-effective technologies and circular solutions are the future of manufacturing. We are committed to becoming more sustainable and increasing productivity and security of supply at the same time. Digitalization helps in forest machine production. Ponce tested its new factory before construction with digital models. Employees were able to take part in the design through virtual reality. A digital twin of the factory will be used to help in production planning and operative control. So why Finland? Finland is leading the way in sustainable manufacturing. We have highly skilled experts, the latest innovations, and high-quality products that are sustainable by design. We believe in world-changing ideas and turning them into global success stories. Finland works. Now let it work for you. Business Finland. World Ideas.